Meaning of decameter.
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 Decameter. Decameter is a metric unit of length that is equal to 10 meters. It is commonly used in scientific and engineering applications for measuring distances between objects or in constructions. The decameter is equivalent to 0.01 kilometers, making it larger than a meter but smaller than a hectometer. The prefix deca- means 10, so the decameter can be thought of as 10 meters rolled into one. In practical terms, a decameter is roughly the length of a standard school bus or a one-story building.